give many data along our lives that can be understood and analyzed to get better information about what we are and about the processes of life and health and industry and whatever we need. So data is really important, and it's something that has been with us forever.
I think this summer school is a really good initiative. You are covering important topics that our current professionals and future ones, they should be learning about and they should be knowledgeable about. Europe is moving forward and 5G connectivity, but the 5G for massive connectivity is not yet here. We are working on it, but it's not here.
We learned a lot of different things about smart cities, medical development, data visualization, 5G. They are more important for our professional development.
I think that technology and databases are very important for investigative journalism.
Basically, I think we need this kind of practice on university, so they can see how to apply this theory to a company.
How we can deal with this, how we can make sense of data even if they are everywhere and they are being deconstructed in ways that we are losing sense. The way of achieving this is to start being aware about what is data and start reading it in a critical, reflective way.
I'm quite happy because, well, they have nice ideas. They're touching challenges which are, I think, significant and relevant in nowadays world.
I could learn a lot about technology, innovation, new approaches. I really recommend this program for all people that can come.